Did you know that launching a marketing campaign has a lot in common with doing your laundry? Just as you don't want to wash your lights and darks in the same load, you don't want to have a vague ad campaign aimed at wider audiences of different ages and interests. With all those colors and fabrics mixed together, your campaign would likely turn into a blotchy, damaged mess. The concept I'm talking about is known as demographic segmentation. It allows you to focus on serving smaller, more refined segments and tailoring your selling points accordingly. Another reason it's so important is because it enables you to reach your customers on a more human level with straight to the point, personalized messaging, creating deeper customer loyalty. With demographic segmentation, you can group audiences by gender, education level, occupation, marital status, income, age, location, or even religion, giving you more clarity with your advertising plans and optimizing your time and budget. If you're looking to increase your return on ad spend, the best approach is to delight your leads with personalized, conversion-optimized landing page experiences. That's where Instapage comes in. Instapage's personalization feature allows you to create any number of unique experiences for each landing page. A/B test audience experiences and variations to optimize your page for conversions. Pair visitor intent with a relevant landing page experience for each ad. Generate unique copy variations for headlines, paragraphs, and CTAs using a built-in AI tool. Instapage is easy to use, has an intuitive drag and drop UI, and helps you get started with more than 500 page layouts. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? Try it out for yourself by signing up for a 14-day free trial at instapage.com.